Let's have a quick talk about this Kohler toilet. And I need to do a small repair because that's broken off. So a good thing. So I'm going to end up replacing this part. And there's another thing I'd like to discuss is that there's a seal that stops the water from leaking from the tank into the bowl. And that's something that's very serviceable by you. This is the part that fills the bowl and fills the tank. So it fills the bowl through this hose, and at the bottom it fills the tank, sort of thing. So this, when it's hissing or refusing to stop, or the water is running over the top here, can be easily replaced as well. Let's start with this one, which is when you have this type, you can just pull the head right off. And there's a locking ring. When you've adjusted it to the right height, you pull the ring down and lock it in place. Otherwise, it's a simple float system. When the float goes up, it stops the water. So this should be set for the water line where you want it to stop. So that's one part. Put that in and lock the ring in place. Now this one got broken. Doesn't happen often, but this one's actually broken. So I can do two things this way. What I do is I turn this, and then it allows me to pull this whole thing right up. So if I needed to change the seal between the tank and the bowl, this is that seal. You can buy it at Home Depot. For the repair part, I need to literally replace this whole thing, or just replace this part. Well, they don't sell me just that part, so I buy the original. And then I just put in the whole thing. So this slides up from the bottom. And you can see how it's got a T shape there. That's what locks it into the base. And this is called a tower style of toilet. So you want to put the tower down there, and you push this down until you turn it until you feel it lock into place, and then it won't pull up anymore. And then this part literally just sits right here. Or pardon me, clips in right here. See again, little tabs on the sides. There's little slots here. So you push it down and you'll just give it a turn. And then you'll reconnect your hose. And make sure that your seal can move up and down easily. Turn the water back on. And your toilet will start to fill. Make sure that the handle is not loose. If you ever need to replace one of these handles, the threads on the nut is backwards from a regular screw or nut. So this has been Don Mooney of Handyman Reality of Edmonton, Alberta, servicing a Kohler toilet. And,